In this video, we will know more about Facebook Pixel, its usage, and different types of audiences that you can create in Facebook using the Facebook Pixel. Facebook Pixel is a piece of code which is placed on a website. It allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your website. You can create up to 100 pixels under your Business Manager account. Once you have set up the Facebook pixel, the pixel will fire when website visitors take an action like adding an item to the cart or making a purchase on the website. It also enables you to build audiences of these users taking these specific actions to target via Facebook ads. As more and more actions occur on your website, Facebook gets better at delivering your ads to people who are more likely to take certain actions. You can use the Facebook pixel to make sure that the ads are shown to the right people, find new customers or people who have visited a specific page or taken a desired action on your website, drive more sales. It helps to reach people who are more likely to take an action that you care about, such as making a purchase, measure the results of your ads, better understand the effect of your ads by measuring what happens when people see them. Now let us look at how to create a Facebook pixel. Let's go to the Business Manager. Now go to Ads Manager. Since we are visiting this for the first time, it's asking us to review and accept the Facebook policy. After you are ready, accept it. Then here on the top as well, they want us to specify if we are using our account for any issues of national importance. Here it's not the case, so we'll choose no. Now to create a pixel, we'll go to the Events Manager. Click the plus sign on the left hand side. Asks us to connect a new data source. Since we want to install the pixel on the website, we will select web. Then we will select Facebook pixel. Let's give it a name and add the website URL. Click continue. That's it, the Facebook pixel is created. Now we need to set up and install the Facebook pixel on the website. We can do so by manually adding the code or selecting a partner integration. There are multiple options available. We have used WordPress to create the Sasta Deals website in our previous videos. So here we will choose WordPress. We'll select the advanced mapping features. Advanced mapping features will help you to match the information shared by website visitors to their Facebook accounts. Here Facebook guides us at each step. You can just follow the instructions on your WordPress site and do the needful. You can also choose to manually add the code on your website. We just have to copy the pixel code and paste it to the bottom of the header section just above the head tag. To do this, install the base code on every page of your website. If you are not someone who knows coding, you can choose the option to email these instructions to your web developer and they will take care of the rest. We can also create a Facebook pixel by going to business settings, click on pixels, click add. Facebook pixel can also be used to create an audience. It is like having a group of people who take similar set of actions. Every time they take an action, pixel stores the data which we can use to show them the ads. We can create an audience by going to the audience tab under the advertise section in business settings menu. There are three types of audiences that we can create. First is custom audience, wherein you can create an audience from your existing customer contacts, website traffic, mobile app, etc. They have already shown interest in your business or product. Second is lookalike audience, which is a set of audience who are similar to the audiences you have interacted with your business or product. You can create a lookalike audience based on people who like your page, conversion pixels, or any of the existing custom audiences. Saved audience allows you to target your audience based on their interests, behaviors, and demographics. You can save this audience for future use in the ads. You can create multiple types of custom audience like website visitors, customer list, Facebook page followers, Instagram account followers, etc. If we want to create a custom audience of our website visitors, we click here, name the pixel, enter our website URL. We have already done this earlier in this video. Now, if we want to create a custom audience from our customer list, we need to first prepare a customer list as shown here. Indicate if there is a column with a value in our list. Accept this since we are doing it for the first time. Upload a list in CSV or text format. We can copy paste the entire list instead and give a name to the audience. Save it. You can create custom audience based on people who have interacted with an app you may have, interacted with your business over the phone or in store, or even watched your video. Let's see how you can create a custom audience based on your Instagram professional account. Here, you can select out of the multiple types of engagement people have had with your account and the time period for the same. Name the audience, save it. There are other options for creating custom audiences based on events, lead forms, shopping, Facebook page, etc. For Facebook page too, the steps are same as that for the Instagram account. Let's create a custom audience of all those people who engaged with Facebook page in the last 180 days. Let's name it. Now let's create a lookalike audience. Here we need to select a lookalike source, which can be any of the custom audience we might have created. We may add the location we want to target as well. Then we need to select the audience size from a scale of 1% to 10%. 1% means that the lookalike audience will be very similar to the input audience source, whereas 10% means that it would be very less similar to the audience source we have selected. We will cover the saved audience part when we are creating an ad later in this course. So that's all about the Facebook pixel and how we can create different types of audiences. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.